In 1910, Hans Christian Jacobius of Sweden became the first to apply this approach to human surgery. Subsequently, over the following decades, the technique underwent refinement and gained popularity through the contributions of various individuals in the medical field. Laparoscopy offers several benefits compared to traditional open surgery. Some key advantages include: minimally invasive. Laparoscopic procedures involve small incisions, minimizing trauma to the body. This results in reduced postoperative pain and a quicker recovery compared to open surgery. Less scarring. Quicker recovery time. Reduced blood loss. Lower risk of infection. Improved precision. It's crucial to emphasize that while laparoscopy presents numerous benefits, its appropriateness varies based on the specific procedure and the unique health condition of the patient. At Healing Hands Clinic, our healthcare professionals carefully assess each case to determine the most suitable surgical approach tailored to the individual's needs.